Ebusianim say Mahama etena konya so no 1 year atwamu na constitution day 7th January no constitution that ehwale say 1 year anniversary. I say obia reti his excellency na memo 1 year in office no obia reti na Okatakyie Afrifa mensa boy okyerem say the 1 year is nothing but kill net and sentence. Now wabekirem how Mahama ACS kame Ghana for any tactics ne antics bia oh yeah in Ghana for no ehu se Mahama kame wo mu ahai Penyah block media meso say any dey obe like video no ada wa subscribe button say be click verification and connect with latest updates na ba kire wa adwen dia ma me comment section so ba so no share for so onya bi ahwe. So it was on 7th January 2026 na constitution day na ehwa na say 1 year anniversary ye de Mahama etena kunya so na say obia reti or your Thanksgiving service any other dem ha call den sebebiran atudwa e ma even kwan end of so donate 100 pickups to the Ghana police say eno be enhance na e be facilitate their operation in Ghana here just say or yeah they obetimi ama ni 1 year in office no Ghana for me tell oh you better than go for the 8 years you better than this the 1 year is enough say condemn na say unimu nyansa obi aka kado pe any ade na eno ana Afrifa wa hwe asem do say Ghana for you don't know Mahama ohu muni Mahama na ene ma men kire nipa Mahama oye ni 1 year in office no this is the reality.
And here John Mahama me also wo interview wonam wo fans aka kire mo so wo temu adwene no ase efe John Mahama ko interview na man ya range jomfo man bi no ma kugino na e boje so fe and you can say stand up you are doing well because in politics optics really do matter. Yadis kama yujian his wonye bien what they call this. Politics perception is equally important as reality. So if stand up when and crop for the John Mahama agentia, omudis wamade John Mahama agentia. Because in the optics, the people will look at, the people will see and say he is loved. Yenya opportunity in see baby. Si muhunu kwa ne momo ye gusu a ye bie ne fine before se me call the main point so me ka kire mo house amejamfi enka no kore me ka kire mo house amejamfi enka no kore and the last time me ka bibi ka kire mo say muntie sa audio muntie sa video
has been blocked. He's not allowed to participate in the process. Meanwhile, there is this Mr. Roger Frimpong Kwachi in the gold board operations who also, has a connection with this kind of investigations by the OSP. If you appreciate what I just mentioned and you have seen this, what's your explanation?
We see these things, but we don't respond because we are very busy people doing an important job for the nation. We don't have to, it's a joke. Listen, Roger Kwache is not licensed by the Gold Board to do anything. He's not a licensee of the Gold Board. Roger Kwache only consults for Bawarok. He works with Bawarok.
Okay, so
now this Roger Kwache.
So hold on. Samijam Fianum was they said Roger Kwache, the so-called Roger Kwache, works for Bawarok. Tienye, Samijam Fie. The so-called Roger Kwache, he works for Bawarok. On working, and this same Roger Kwache, if you are mature quiet for Samijam Fie, on Kanokore. And because he calmly submits what he submits, and then Chamon Treko, I know that and Tiboko. The same Roger Kwache Samijam Fie says on Kawan, me bachelor one year. Muntie Samijam Fie.
Is managing director for a company called Goldstrom. And Goldstrom was one of the aggregators under MIF's Good for Reserve program. They were giving money. By the end of 2024, MIF wrote a demand letter to them that they had some outstanding payments to make. The company has paid MIF in full. And I've seen acknowledgement letters from MIF showing that Goldstrom has paid. Now, that one employee of the company is consulting for Bawarok, and that is an issue. A company that has not committed a crime, a company that is not under investigation, is not being prosecuted, has settled all its bills to MIF, and you're saying that its employee cannot work for a private company. So it is not as if Roger Kwachi even works for the Gold Board or is licensed by the Gold Board. He has done nothing. That guy is a great resource. When you want to talk to somebody about gold trading in Ghana, he's one of the go-to persons. And I think that people should just stop this attitude of running people down with lies. It doesn't help anybody.
Okay.
Sami Jamfi a chapter with confidence. Sami Jamfi said the said Roger Kwachi no one part of a Gold Board and or a consultant for Barrock. Just so you know, there is a syndicate to steal from the people. This is a finance ministry. Inaugurated the technical team of your friend is Gold Board. Roger Kwachi na esha asiye Roger Kwachi, the finance team, a technical team of Gold Board. Roger Kwachi and the D esha asiya. And then some of them say Roger Kwachi ne nyajumama Gold Board. Such a character, you trust him? Where my Joe online report? Roger Kwachi din esha asiye as part of the technical team of Gold Board. And the same person now, a technical team member of Gold Board, is also consulting for Barrock. Is that not conflict of interest? You are falling in love with your oppressors to the point that when we are drawing your attention, say, you are being oppressed in a very nice way. Na sami jamfi wo twa motro kura mu so twa motro sami jamfi se Roger Kwachi enye part of wanya adwuma ma Gold Board na consult ma Barrock. Meanwhile this same sami jamfi Roger Kwachi wo share mu finance ministry aboni din so ye part of a technical team of Gold Board. Ana mompa se ebie money now mompa se ebie money dia. Made them public announcement, Madama. We hear no biane mameko. Ya no biane mameko. One meku a ye wa wasemwa. Because the America biane ya no kure. Etu ne meku a ye wa wasemwa. One meku a John Mahama ba ye wo jinchia. Ba ya de papa wo jinchia. Ai John Mahama omo se Manuel. We are seeing John Mahama. John dear. We need size. John Mahama need size. Ti will call radio interview. Come. Mama say mano. Why? John Mahama ba ye. Say me no work say. Transformation a bagana. Yes sir. 1 year on no galamsey na jai. So say John yes wo ba obey you su artificial intelligence. Where May 2024 I will use artificial intelligence to fight galamsey. It is me no ka say John use artificial intelligence. He say galamsey nsuo ni nyina ni atenwan. He say illegal mining is now a myth. Ni Ghana nsuo nyina come. 1 year down the lane. Your mama wa man sure ni ate 1 year down the lane. Your mama buy and double track ni nyina free ho. Akufo ado double track no na enye na bon no. Kan your mama buy we sisi dan akese 1 year. Wa to blog 1 year just a double track ni nyina ya no great e free ho. Ti emo ye nsema your mama. Your mama buy Sam George LGBT. Samuka Sam George. And then Sam George no fight say LGBT ni ade no. And then Sam George LGBT mumisa say away Sam George way. And then LGBT ni hwe so obu ni sisi. You hold away. Eti John Mahama ba ye shake your waist. E say LGBT no was sign bill no won pe omanim kura ahwe. Poof ekọ. E say so source nyina twam contract nyina transparent kama. Gold Board die transparent kama. John Mahama ba ye wo appoint ni nua bia wa ba mu no family, no friends, bibia ni ho. Bibia ni ho. John Mahama ba ye neutral senkwa. In spirit from a year, a yi bomfa. Na memo no ni nua bia nim. John Mahama ba ye okuje to ablakwa aye ni tiri se mirror of justice. Oka kire ye se won benya 21 billion. Okuje to ablakwa se won benya 21 billion. Ora na ba ora ba ora. Ene okuje to ablakwa mo agiska ni nyina ora. Ene ye ni abreke no foriata mai kan ko an ska ni nyina won ho. Na aside kan foriata no menim se sedi nam tamakulu no ya nchene for corruption ya. Na waban a waba wo so wo ba be fight corruption. Then this aban no say what discontinue cases of a year Collins Dauda. What discontinue cases of a year Opuni. What discontinue cases are ya find prima facie case against them. Also what discontinue cases. And what just aban need so wa be fight corruption. 1 year down the lane. Ora na 20 billion amaye. No receipt, no audit. But the money is somewhere, probably in the same vote. The Ark of Covenant to Gumuno. Sana oro anaji isi kamai. Come. Your mama buy and be beard and aquem. Your mama buy a year 24-hour economy na started youth unemployment a poof. Morning shift, evening shift, midnight miracle. Just say they say nkola year juma wo mabre. Ebitimi year juma kwa no pa wi anwumre no mabre. Ebitimi omotimi edidi ka mu nyina. Omokwa adwuma because eso run ship 1 year 24-hour economy no aye adwuma aye kama. Attack on journalists and so ejai your mama prices of goods and services said your mama buy no dollar na ekosoro. It prices of goods and services and so perform as they say kenke gakomi you turn 1 cedi. Gari olonka 1 cedi. A liter of oil 2 cedi. Transportation from Pokwasi to Accra no they say 1 cedi. Ni nyina bibia ye kama. Eze Kwame Nkrumah ensa man kura no waye nani age kama Kwame Nkrumah busa se where dey sama anya hwe o Kwame Nkrumah sama anya hwe Sameja mfi electricity no a user of the tariffs no a wo mode ba no Sameja mfi ese aba ese electricity no enrane ese ba omia meters ni nyina ye twetwam Sameja mfi de no odi aba no utimi yusua na wa bre no afre ECG fo se ECG mesra mo me light na si sododo ntimu num no why ese mranche ni nyina nya adwuma ye nurses fo nya adwuma yo teacher fo nya adwuma ye graduate fo unemployed graduate bia ni ba bi ha obia ye employed mesra mo bibia sam John Mahama baye bibia economic liberation waba na yenko tie eye ono ankasa ne nkrofo anu asem owura Franklin Kujo let me state here that video na ye bebo no there is some niema bia entwe Franklin Kujo health wise we don't care about that is not why we are here. John Mahama memwo no ekoyi eti Franklin Kujo wono no ese wota John Mahama echi no wasi owura no kura de ese ya gisika nyina yenkonkoti Franklin Kujo. Frankly, what am I saying?
We're promoting Nora. We're the ones who actually raise all our hopes, right? And so our hopes have been raised, and now we are. And I don't think we've matched the. We've matched the not rhetoric. We've matched the reality as against expectations, and I worry because you see, going into next year, look, the government needs to. People will start complaining, and I think the complaints will become a lot more if they don't see quick prosecutions. I worry greatly that we are moving at a very slow pace, and things are not happening. Of course, certain cases are being seen and heard, but I suspect that there'll be a lot of firepower coming through the heads of the various, should I call it, the Attorney Generals of it. And maybe, you see, what I also thought should have been done, I suspect that maybe this is what the Attorney General should actually do. Maybe they should actually recruit a lot more should I call them?
Franklin could just say neniaje ananya sa no ka wangasa osi wo rafo no age ediskei Franklin now was saying your man movie so slow than you were expecting 1 year down the lane your team will be on court on corruption issues within the Akufo-Addo government and omo divert more attention for real na ice ache na ice in wo deport no aba say wo yi nkwanko fight wo case never dem we so buafu me kasa John Mahama ya de no so buafu obufu a ho efise de me de kire wo nyina ye nneoma a wonyeye amamuo no eye kew na taban na theatrics ne doso me se Akufo-Addo by first year wo ya nneoma say ya me sha say me kasa o happy FM so ana o tan Akufo-Addo no ye say me tan John Mahama me tan we na when I see the realities of government as opposed to what the optics shows, I need to be able to tell the people that it is up to nothing. Because I see the Nukuranwa, yes, the CD is strong against the dollar, and a knee-jerk reaction to solving issues. I can tell, I can see. If there is any international shocks, if there are any external shocks, the economy will crash down. Because a long-term solution to problems. Knee-jerk reaction. Knee-jerk. But the better than a man for no what you say, if it's a man, a interview, a man in France, and I'm saying, stand up by Juma, absolutely brilliant. Brilliant. Yenya be now or that him for someone shouting Chiame. I was better when him say politics in one. And politics, optics do matter. It is a LGBT was signed. Doom so yeti kroma say ayi wo ba ye wo say e-levy enyenyenyenyenye wo da ne ho a no kofa doom so levy bai ama e say yen kan wasem bi ye refi say wo di doom so levy aba ayi akwa your friend say abranti akwa na ho kitikiti philosophy su kwache wo di doom so levy aba yen kan wasem your mama ti kroma say wo say o e-levy nye ayi sports betting tax o say de nye we betting tax if you an okofa sports ho ahwan bai galam say nso ni nyina je say yenti arise Ghana for na we eye wo mo ankase wo mo nipa arise Ghana ni NDC for you will be obey arise Ghana be we NDC ni je ne eye listo wo na puku NDC for arise Ghana be ni ba bia na yenti aje yenti no
of Galamsey. I think we've been very clear in the past that it's an existential threat to all Ghanaians, including those of us seated here and those of you who are broadcasting. We would expect that the president continues with the good work that they are doing, not only with the gold board, because note, if there's no incentive to go and dig, no one will mine. If the gold board stops the smuggling of gold and aggregating of gold is done, our economy will improve and Galamsey will stop. And we believe that the president will not and must not shield anyone. We want to also entreat the Speaker of Parliament, who has indicated that he will not shield any Galamsey MPs, to take his word and mean it and act upon it. Oral is Operation Recover all the loot and not some of the loot. And so we would want all the loot to be recovered. But we've listened to the Ghanaian people. We continue to listen to the Ghanaian people. So you will join us when we go to the American Embassy.
Operation Recover all loot to be to allow recover all loot to be mobile ma recover the here. Me nua no mu bia wia Ghana sika monchichi wo mumum. MPP is not a breeding grounds for criminals, and it is very clear. It is obi wia Ghana sika monchichi wo mumum. Na munya a court of public opinion no. If the member here will be no obedi ne saba akobọ Ghana sikam ebe wia Ghana sika wi no was because of joining MPP tiamra me defend no obi an defend wo. Then so munya court of public opinion na ye di cases in wo eye media mo na mo form ngura court. Won't prove it beyond reasonable doubt because these are criminal cases. I just say a tron doson kill net 7 doson. Na yeti kroma say ma eye Owura John Mahama ka che say Akufo-Addo aban no 110 ministers won ti bi da. It was no na ban ba we lean government. lean government deɛ ei wɔba bɛyɛ nneɛma kama one year 110 ministers edi John Mahama John wo fa say wo say o me fa 57 ministers yɛmo yɛn nsɛm manuel hwia ɔdan ani ano whisper go Julius Debra sum agye profond de ɔmo nte ase o eti nneɛma ne bi wɔ hɔ a fabra na yɛfa nhwehwe yɛn change ne din no sɛ bɛyɛ a ɔmo nte ase ampa na Papa J so de kɔ Papa J kɔ no a na ya change bi din ebi ne sɛ wafa Ashanti region wafa all regional ministers and so wamfa deputy regional ministers because onya akɔbɔ ɔmo din so ɔmo yɛ deputy regional ministers pɛ na mmom de ɔbɛyɛ ne so ɔbɛsesa wɔn din every deputy regional ministers no waka sɛ presidential staffers in charge of the region into all the 16 regions or the party ni organizers are presidential staffers in charge of the region wɔn pay equally as deputy ministers. It is from the inception of this republic, I can be who salaries of chief of staff and son of cabinet ministers, presidential, senior presidential advisors. Your mama ba ye was say one shut down two mudi advisor. Miami no to kono say utimi mano a presidential special dear to agric near a substantive agric minister na waba yen kongo hwedi ni bie 24-hour economy ya mutui. Your mama instead say appointed a minister in charge of 24-hour economy because it was a major policy of John Mahama's campaign. Or kase ye minister there and we ya mobecheno. Eti mobekanya ka ministers no honya sa eti ene ye be friend say Owura Gusita no a presidential advisor on 24-hour economy. Ti aboy ensema ma no owo 57 ministers. John nice. Na emom no on to the minister in charge of 24-hour economy, presidential advisor in charge of 24-hour economy. Owie no appointed presidential advisor John Mahama appoint Owura Francis Dodu as presidential advisor national anti-corruption program. Yewo interior minister, yewo national security minister, yewo attorney general. Corruption no si fight here. Say institutions when here. Instead so bebo we din so ye minister no say there be me boni din so ye minister. Ombekan aka ho. Etiane me friend the national anti-corruption program. Presidential advisor. The moment pay no, it will be the same as that of minister, cabinet minister. Presidential advisor be pay equated to that of cabinet minister. And so your mama so one friend sa or friend sa mo beche no. Your mama says of onya friend deputy minister sa mo beche. Eti the SY and say quickly your deputy chief of staff mienu in fact omo ye miensa so kura no and you another setekwe presidential advisor nana ya janto presidential advisor Beatrice one presidential advisor chese who could do communication wing of the presidency wo mo ye nipa be 60 obi agp as uncle for mo ye deputy ministers o your mama so on from deputy ministers until lean government now so na furu dokotwe cabinet level salaries na sankrofo itiki enso John so onya from ministers and deputy ministers mo be chini ntia no from ministers and deputy ministers. Senior presidential advisor for governmental affairs Dr. Valerie Soya ono so ho. Advisors for the economy, national anti-corruption, diaspora affairs ni nyina ho. And son wenya ba at the office of the vice president. Vice President no so kura so another 5 policy advisors. Vice President no honkwa. President need decline so be appointed deputy regional ministers because he ebeche no and so appointed 16 presidential staffers or mo nyina deputy ministers. Wo mo di say deputy ministers. Me say Kilnet aban bia no e chen aban we. Minister in charge of agribusiness wo ho. Ani asa abom yanga za menua Peter Boa mo toku no na ka me no a wonya atumi wo mframe hwe Director of Presidency, also responsible for agriculture and agribusiness. So this is not efficiency. This is duplication. This is duplication of jobs. But wonya yes happy mo beche no. Tie no wonye. Wonya bo mo din so mo ye presidential ministers am beche no. Into your one presidential advisor on media, your one communications consultant, your 4 directors of communication, 5 deputy directors, your 2 communication specialists, 5 technical communication assistants, 1 media aide, and assistant media liaison officer. Entering a basin, the John Mahama and teaming for a list of the presidential staffers at the Jubilee House, when teaming for Parliament in Kolei. And these are the pertinent issues that I want to draw your attention to. Beyond the pump and pageantry, these are the pertinent issues I want to draw your attention to. Nobody is paying attention. Huh? And so John Mahama by was scheduled to terminate a year appointment of Unkola Bebre. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. We are said there is no NPP Ghana, there is no CPP Ghana, there is no NDC Ghana. Meanwhile, behind the scenes, the way in Fakwan. Now, to a man, me drew a year end of the year. All of a sudden, I buy also buy and I could run your mind down. I want Nisika. He knew or Baba two here bubro. Or so Baba two here bubro. Now, young conqueror. Young conqueror, dear, are two forcing. Are two a war forcing. One in the same Samijan Fia, young conqueror. It yeba confronting the painful truth here. Domain market for man, Momra Meti. Afisun yen ato forcing. Oh, ya what dollar no ya wo sidi ni ya what dollar ya wo sidi. Ya woni nyine chi ewie no. Die nti enkrofo antimi amadwomu ameto de oma ne se. Teacher for na anka ebe abetue omu ka omu usu. Nyame na meka, me wi amebo teacher for no akiro. We live in a country where the pocket is dry. The stomach is empty. And somehow, no, miraculously, yetiminya finance minister, keselato forcing, yes, what chair, what the new philanthropist, generosity, what chair, a more say, wa. Now, watch a more chesika, watch a more chesika, one found call a hospitals, one found co schools, one found command nurses, the ninja what the politics. It is one more, or the command. You see 200 bags of rice every constituency, 276 constituency. KSL auto forcing, almost 200 bags of rice. Oh my team. We are in Yama NDC constituency chairman be 5,000 Ghana cedi. We are in Yama NDC constituency executive be across the nation 270 no per the structure no. We are more than 15. Yama each and every one of them 2,000 Ghana cedi. And when you're small money, you breaking it down what you say. Yema obia 2,000 Ghana cedi. Yema a year chairman 5,000. Yes, is can you. It is a 200 bags of rice. And the chair constituency be 200 bags them 276 constituencies. Mwangasa monya mu calculation. Mwangasa monya mu calculation. Mwangasa 276 times a year 200 bags. So as a matter of fact, Keselato forcing what 55,200 bags of rice this Christmas. It is a way calculation averagely biano bag of rice acquire 700 Ghana cedi. Yanya calculation. If bag of rice is 700 Ghana cedi times 55,200 bags. Omaya is niska. Yentimi ntua teacher foka. Yentimi ntua nurse foka. Yes, Keselato forcing bags of rice 200 bags per constituency. It is a way of calculation 700 bags. 700 Ghana cedi per bag. What they multiply a year 55,200 a year. Your friend say 55,200 bags times a year 700 Ghana cedi. It is a meno say monko a to forcing chair this Christmas in the name of philanthropy to the party executive. 38.6 million. Mumusa to forcing so nya scan way. Mumusa to forcing so omo opposition no o nya sika ne wo he. And son waba 5,000 na ye check constituency bia. So 5,000 Ghana cedi. We have 5,000 Ghana cedi times 276. 276. That gives you about 1.38 million Ghana cedi. And sana every executive biano, ye chair no a year, 80 party executives across board. And no say it amounts to, if 15 times 2,000 Ghana cedi, it amounts to about 8.2, that is 8.3 million Ghana cedi. It's political generosity, no. Costed Ghana over 48.3 million. Onyasikani free here. Onyasikano ato forcing. Or more opposition no just map party forcer. Because can't we yes ma menka because your mama edge fans. Can't we yes ma menka because John edge fans. John edge fans. And send ye yes Sami Jamfin so serial callers nyina almost 276, you know. NDC serial callers, you know. Wama will be 1,500. Wama will be 1,000. In fact, on quite yes, we 1,500 every month. If every month, Sami Jamfin 1,500. Why your multiplication? 276 a year constituencies, you know. The serial callers, a woman, you know, or spending almost about 5 million Ghana cedi a year on these people. Where did they get the money from? No accountability, nothing. What they call 48 million and why is about 53 million for political spending on these people. Our brother teacher 40 krumua, 53 million in 1 year, all in the name of political philanthropies. Menoka say nurse in your Ghana as waje about 2,500 Ghana cedi. A teacher for a womoka see in Jomoka, wamoji about 2,800 Ghana cedi. It is a medium fine a year to forcing 53 million or must spend it, 53 million Ghana cedi no must spend it just this Christmas on the Assyria callers and the party. Our muntimi accounted for. It meet your nurse for more than 2,000 a cup for 1 full year. It meet your teacher for more than 1,600 a cup for 1 full year. So right now, when I am asking the pertinent questions that you guys must pay attention to, must pay attention to. Instead of feeding the political machinery, Menoka say, and Kebetimi tria nurses for 2,000 ka 1 year. And so nurse for him. Cause man for the say your mama, oh, what's me jenchiapa? Hey, why are you? John, why are the papa? John, why are the pa? Why are they? And there are no two ways about it. No two ways about it. And they are a teacher for most of my day in Timo.
Ghana should speak for us. Ghana should speak for us. We have nowhere to sleep, yet we are expected to go back to the classrooms to teach. We know it is our responsibility as teachers to go out there to teach. Where do we sleep? Where do we put our heads? The mattress we lie on, we even bought it on credit. Our creditors are after us. Ghana, the whole world, speak for us. The injustice is too much. We are human beings. We have wives, we have children, we have families, and we have responsibilities as well. Where do we begin our life? Should we begin our lives on paying debts? Is that what we wish for ourselves as a country? Ghana, stand up and speak for us.
I say Ghana, stand up and speak for us. Yeah, to me, Nyasika de ma party for across board. Yeah, Tom Ghana Sika de ma party for. They cannot account for it. Yeah, normalizing sim hunu ukrumwa. Kadeche ko kasi siya kadeche ne huna maniye. Kadeche Afrifa mensa ko kasi siya ya. Me na me huna maniye. Yeah, normalizing sim hunu ukrumwa. Yeah, normalizing sim hunu. And then a dollar back from dollar is do abochi where 12 cedi. There be a Bank of Ghana say that thing. Abochi no kura dollar no so 12 cedi. enra ya masesa bi enra masesa bi amede kutua school fees ye 12 cedi e so hwehwe bi wo Bank of Ghana no a wono se da 10 no a unya me hu ye ka dollar e ba form dia and can be reflected on goods and services and so QNet abanti dollar na e ba form and so goods and services ida bia woni the bones aho o baba yo go down baba yo yentie eye market fo yentie omo
Here bacha ya chagbo fuso anko. Fuso anko abanchi no. Fuso anko abanchi. Last year by this time. But you back 4 million. Omunyanto. A few 100 cities. Mama boni bay. Mama mle ni omo ndi sifo na musuma asunte asama no. Enyina ya dowa ha. Akuya fon kwa no go fuso ha. Omo back 100 cities no. Obi mpo nu abato. Obi nu abato. Last year by this time back with 4 million. Omo na mkitango to kodi ya tipa ya chozo mpe panchato. Obi anya. Afi yo banchi 100 cedi. Ni egufie nye fie kutoa, ni egufie na mapa ka gude ma. Mu di sindua wa fomu no.
eti se motie yi a enyame na meka dollar na di aba form obia nka se aba form paper so uduru paper no so dia dollar na da 10 sa enko ne 10 level and so for the past 3 months dollar bia me fa o Ghana bia me fa ne 12 and so yes dollar do 10 obi so am say wo hin na nke enko gibi ohunu yes okopa abochifo yi acho wo mu ne kura dollar so abochi get the dollar Bank of Ghana get the rate ni ade 10 yi pa ye tiri ho saa eti maya wo mu exercise sika call China ko fa China nneoma bae wo ma hunu se dollar na da 10 ana menti ase enye yi ayi amwaten woni guta ne ayi tag for eti mu call China no ma hunu se dollar na da 10 nti mba matem nneoma so e se dollar ne de paper so pe ana da 10 na nso nya duru fo mo na amwaten ko pe bi di akofa nneoma aba onya ne 12 eti nya de obetre nneoma no so since I won't hear the India and your man still on the board here. Ne boarding because a tro amemu kill net ya bang a amemu a de fracadam a catamony moon. Gold board aboka also moka, Bank of Ghana aboka also moka. I feel ye pianco about gold board, some Fangosha Bank of Ghana. Where's some fancy way? Where's it?
A very good Hanover. To the wife, your mammy, our conversation. I Penyah Block Media. Accra.